cannot move, you got no groove. What is you to do?
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty blunts. Some say it's too many blunts. Go catch me out here eating lunch. Then after that, go see me hunt. Pull up S13 and pop my hood and let my trunk thump. Riding through the hood, I bump the thump. Trunk will shake you up. Pull up to the party spot. The girl see me and save a spot. She know I know what I want. She wondering if she the one, but I ain't gon' start nothing. My energy is for the hustle. She said she can deal with that, but she still want it from the back. I might slide that wacky pack like Sonic, then be out of that. Pull up smoking, jumping jacks. The smell of that will lay you back. She drink just like Leahy, but I'm Ricky when pull off with them handles, man. Too